Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Naraka Bladepoint game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Naraka Bladepoint game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, before starting your game, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from here, click on settings, and now make sure that you are within the graphics tab at the top. Now you can choose your graphics API, which is recommended to be set with DirectX 11. Make sure your correct resolution is also selected, and you can choose your maximum desired frame rate. If you notice any screen tears within the game, you can also make sure that VSync is enabled. And if you scroll all the way down, you will see the graphic preferences. You have the various different presets that you can choose that range from lowest, low, medium, high and highest. You can see the difference between all of these presets at the right side when you point to the quick set graphics. And based on this, you can choose your desired graphics level. If your GPU and your device supports it, then start at the highest preset first. Then you can apply this and then confirm it. Then you can start your game and see how your current settings perform. If the game is running smoothly, then you don't need to make any more changes. Otherwise, you can go back to the graphic settings, and from the graphic quickset presets, you can try reducing by one step and also play around with the various details. By following this step, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality within your gameplay. You can also try using graphics enhancement, and you have the choice between NVIDIA DLSS, AMD FSR, as well as NIS. You can try using various enhancement engines and use the preset of quality and performance. This will reduce the load on your GPU while providing optimal performance. One more thing that you can do is try reducing the render scale to about 85 to 90. This will keep the game looking good while lowering the rendering resolution, in turn giving you more FPS. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Naraka Bladepoint game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.